Oh, look at this. That looks cool. Look at that. It's like a wine store. And look at this one. Ooh, more gelato. Okay, I think it's this way. Oh, I like that.
Mais je pense que j'en ai.
Oh, there it is. So there's the Basilica. Oh, why is this building right here? So this is the Basilica de Santa Maria del Mar. Wow. It's awesome. So I was like right there, like next to the garbage cans, and I saw people like looking up, and I was like, wow, that looks really cool. Look at that. I love the windows. And then this building like right in the middle, it looks really cool too. Look at that. And then the one next to it looks really cool too. Look at that. Look at all the design. And then here's the Basilica. I want to go up to the top. So all the buildings around here they look really nice. They're very stunning. Look at this. Wow, so I'm gonna just do a walk around the Basilica.
12, 15.
And I think I'm gonna have to take out my my Sony camera so I can take some photos. But yeah, this looks really cool. My gosh, look at that. Wow. And then this one right here, that looks cool too. So here I'm gonna pan so you can see. They all look nice. So I don't know if it's pointing is that door right there is the entrance, or I have to go around. I think I have to go around. But okay, let's continue with the buildings around it. Looks really cool, and I like that. I like this the stuff on the wall. And look at this. There's so many people. I know I keep saying that there's so many people. Look, there's a Dalmatian. Look at that. Oh, and there's more. Okay, I think I'm gonna try to go on the right side because that's where the entrance is. I don't want to like walk that way all the way around if the entrance is just right here on the corner. But yeah, look at it. Look at that building right there. Looks cool. that. Look, what material is that? Look at that. And then I turned left here, and look what I saw. It's like there's like a flame right there on top of that thing. So it says entrance pointing that way. So it's probably at the very back. Maybe this is the back and that's the front. Oh, and then look at this. Wow.
I'll give it to you. It was on your, Mum, it was on your phone.
Okay, I think this is the entrance right here. I see it. And I hope it's free. Oh, it's not. You have to pay 10 euros. Oh my gosh. So they have a rooftop. So you get church gallery crypt rooftop for 10, or just the church gallery crypt for 5. So I'm not gonna go in. I know it's only 5 euros. I paid more for my gelato, but really 5 euros to go to church? You know, like, yeah, 6 years ago, to go to churches, like, it was free to go in. And then now, like, all these places, all these churches here in Europe, like, they're actually charging you now for you to go in and see the interior of the church. That is crazy. But I guess it's how you control the tourist going in. No? Well, I'm not gonna go in. There's plenty more churches to go see. So I'm just gonna do a tour of this what is this again? I forgot the name of this place. My gosh. So this is the center of this area right here. So I'll do 360 with me, of course. And then so you can see the buildings around it. And there's the church. Okay, so after this, I'm gonna take some pictures using my mirrorless camera. The stores are pretty cool. Look at that. Oh, that's a cool building right there. And look at these. Okay, I finished taking photos. So I'm going to show you the front of the Basilica, and I'm going to go to the Picasso Museum of Barcelona. There's the Basilica. I actually couldn't get the whole thing using my camera because I brought my 24 to 50 millimeter lens, not my 16 to 25 millimeter lens. So I had to use my phone to get like the wide angle view of like to get the whole church. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the left and then right and then left. And then that will take me to the Picasso Museum of Barcelona. So let's walk this way. Oh no, the car's going this way. Oh god, more cars. Okay, that's not a good view. Okay, I think I'll just go this way. I don't want cars. Too many cars, man. Oh, here's paellas. There's more Gaudi. Look at that. Wow. More Gaudi stuff. Wow. Oh, cool. Look at all these. They're so colorful. Oh my gosh. Look at those. They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at them. Here's kitties. Here's dogs. Wow. Oh wow. Wow, there's more. Oh my gosh. Right. Okay, after I passed by the Picasso Museum of Barcelona, I'm gonna go back to the hostel because I wanna drink my beer. So I actually bought a 6-pack of the lemon beer, and each one was only 75 cents. So it was really cheap. Look at this cute little square, or more like a triangle, or yeah, square. Oh no, my battery's down to 14% because I've been taking a lot of videos. Ooh, look at this narrow street right here. Look at that. Wow, that's cool. Okay, I just checked the map and the museum is actually the opposite. Like the street that I took, it went like at an angle. So it's actually going farther away from the museum. So I'm not gonna go to the museum. I'm just gonna go back to the hostel because I'm tired. So yeah, I think that's the end of my vlog for today. I know I keep saying that, and then I end up like shooting more video. But yep, hopefully this is it. Till next time.